similar interests. A transferee went to a school where there are so many different personalities with different characteristics. There are gangsters, nerds, swaggers, high-class students, and rockers, also known as emos. Because he is a transferee, he doesn't know how to put himself in. He tried joining all groups, but all of them rejected him. But when he started dancing in the middle of everyone, the group started to be amazed, and they ended up joining him. The point of our performance is, even though each of us has different personalities, we can still join and be friends. And now, let us all welcome grade 9 students to turn up the music.
Turn up the music, cause the song just came on. Turn up the music if they try to turn us down. Turn up the music, can I hear it till the speakers blow? Turn up the music, fill your cup and drink it down. You're sexy and you know it, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, girl, put your hands up in the air. You're sexy and you know it, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, girl, put your hands up in the air. Turn up the music cause the sun just came up. Turn up the music if you try to turn us down. Turn up the